Good morning, heading to Mount Washington.
ये है भूखे बंदे.
Cog Railway. I don't think we're gonna see anything because of the rain.
Look how crystal clear this water is. Otherwise, have the opportunity.
There's no way they could build this in 3 years. It's crazy. It is very steep.
The high is straight. The land is crooked. We're crooked when we're looking at them. We're going to be suspended 35 feet off the ground.
Wonderful.
It's a beautiful sunny day at Mount Washington.
You forgot my jacket there?
We're at Washington Summit. It's crazy weather. Woo! ठंड लगती है ना गोरे बढ़िया जी.
चल बस हो गया फोटोआं तेरियां.
सिया राम जय जय राम.
The brakes off right now.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Have a good day. Enjoy your day.
Hello there, buddy. How are you? जी.
आप ब्रेक है.
हाँ.